Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add lock screen password on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down the settings page. Locate and click on security and privacy. Now scroll down security and privacy and click on lock screen. Then under lock screen, select your screen lock type. Here, you can go with PIN or password. Now go ahead and type in your PIN or password. Click on continue. Repeat the PIN or password again. Click on OK. And then click on done. Now when next your phone screen is locked, you'll be prompted to type in the PIN or password and then click on OK and then you're good. So that's exactly how to add lock screen password on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.